Hold on, wait. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel today. I'm in build a boat for treasure, and there's these weird egg things. Look at this, guys. It's making a bean sprout.
Beanstalk.
And they do all sorts of weird things. And this one's really good, I think. Yeet. Brendan, that one's the rocket one. Ah, God. Why'd you do that, Brendan? Brendan, why'd you do that? No, I'm trying to get the rocket egg. Whoa. Hot. Hot. I'll get 10 barrels of TNT.
That's nice.
I need the egg. Get the egg. Screw this, I'm getting the egg. Egg. Brendan, go to red team and reclaim the egg. I can build now, but okay. Okay, what the heck does TNT do? Those are the bean sprouts. Or bean stalks, whatever. People are just gliding and having fun. Oh, look, another egg. Eggs are dropping. Eggs are dropping like shit. Eggs are dropping like hell here. Whoop, I should have not said that. This is, it's just satisfying. Mushrooms. Get the egg, Brendan. We need... Okay, where's the spiky egg? I like the spiky egg. Liked up, Skechers. Don't kill me. Whoa! These things will kill you. I'm standing on the egg. I am standing on the egg. Whoa! You got the egg? Whoa! What is this? Look at this! Same effect. Boring. What the? Again? Oh my god, these side effects! Why do you want it? No, dang it, I can block it. There she goes. I have no idea, just kill yourself. I need that egg, Don't launch your boat. I'm doing memes. What the heck? What the heck is that? Don't. Dang it, the egg failed. Oh my god, what is this? What are these eggs? I need more eggs to drop. I'm waiting for more eggs to drop. While we do that, Brendan, do you want to see my booster thingy? The booster thingy. I'm gonna make the boat bigger first. We need a bigger boat.
I know, I'm working on it.
Max. Now I'm gonna use quartz. I have TNT, by the way. I have TNT. So I'm gonna need the back to store my TNT. I'm just spamming. Just spamming bricks. I'm just gonna place Tower of TNT. I'm making a tower of TNT, Brendan. Look.
twice.
No idea. It's a tower of raining TNT. Don't start the egg. Where? Oh, a meme. We're just throwing things on a boat and calling it a meme, because it is. You need this big boy right there, and I'm gonna give you control of the big boy by putting this thing on the back. I have 32. I have 32 balloons. I'm gonna be happy if we can survive with this.
Survive.
Oh, and I'm not done yet. Look at this. Bang. Boom. No, you can click on it and aim. Oh. Huh?
Put some ice in the pot with some seeds. Yay! Okay.
Ice? That's glass, you idiot.
Oh, it's glass?
Yes.
We're having 2 motors and a booster.
Okay. I'm driving, okay?
I'll be in the backseat. Ready? No. The driver's. Oh, okay. You're driving. Get it.
Eesh. Yes. The bee egg. Grab the bee egg, Brendan. Dang it. We missed the bee egg. We missed the bee egg. Are you on trigger the booster? Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's sick! Stop booster! Okay. I only have control to one of them. Huh? No, you don't. How come it's not moving? This thing's making it through, actually. I'm surprised. I thought we would die, like, instantly. The meme boat is making it. The memes! Oh my god, ow. We can only use the booster once, I think. He took you. He likes you. He likes you. He took you. He likes you, Brandon. Did you get the egg again? He's coming after me. He's coming after me. We have lost a man or a cupcake. I just mobbed someone. Ow, ow. Oh, my TNT. Yep. Oh, I died. I'm out. I somehow like fell out. The meme boat was good.
Good boat.
It's called a meme boat. Where are you? Reset. What? Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it off for now. See you all next time. Goodbye.